अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। क्या हाल है? उम्मीद है मेरे तमाम दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड? आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू सो मच अगेन वंस अगेन ज्वाइन मी माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड। दोस्तों, आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो एक बार फिर से आपकी खिदमत में पेश हूँ, एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। तो देखते रहें क्रिप्टो आई मेरी स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच अगेन माय डियर फ्रेंड फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप दोस्तों के लिए एक बार फिर से हाजिर खिदमत हूँ और आज हम एक बार फिर से प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात करेंगे। तो आप देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक, आज का प्रोजेक्ट। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू नईम सरकार, थैंक यू सो मच नईम सरकार। तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक मगेड लाइफ गोचू जंग क्वीन। और आपको टोटल डिटेल बताऊंगी। गेट विल लिस्ट गोचू जंग क्वीन गुचू स्पोर्ट ट्रेडिंग एंड लॉन्च होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप। थैंक यू नईम सरकार। तो आज हम बात करेंगे एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ, नई शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। तो दोस्तों मेरे साथ बने रहिएगा, जुड़े रहिएगा और देखते रहिएगा आज की स्ट्रीम, आज का मेरा टॉपिक। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट विल गोचू जंग क्वीन गोचू and offer a limited time holder airdrop. User holding at last 1 GT can share 8594757 198 Guchu token for free. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend Little Sweep. Thank you so much Little Sweep and other dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my lovely friend. Thank you Crypto Champion also. चलते हैं आगे दोस्तों। The holder airdrop is exclusive for GT holder. After the Guchu Queen Guchu airdrop, unselected node fund will be decided from the participation. Thank you again, my lovely friend Naeem Sarkar and the other gate user friend. Now you see today my topic now get live Guchu Queen Guchu। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं गुचू के ऊपर। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब, ज्वाइन करते हैं इसको। थैंक यू सो मच अगेन गेट योर फ्रेंड। तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों गुचू को, आपको गुचू के बारे में बताता चलूं। टोटल एयर ड्रॉप 8594757 198 गुचू and now participation 5552 and the per GT 563500 Guchu. Individual participation cap 1000 GT. Thank you. Increase GT. Within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrop you will receive. Thank you again, dear friend. Now project information. Guchu Changquin Guchu is an ultimate token on base to additional pillars of the project. Guchu that the builds assess the solutions supporting Web3 finance and Guchu Jang. Thank you so much, my dear friend, Crypto 2027 and Gate user. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend. Good afternoon, my dear friend, and thank you for joining also, dear. Thank you so much. Now, my dear friend, I tell you the project information now. And Guchu, our Guchu Changchil pass the way all across the world online. They specify sweet and the savory flair of the Gochujang is the heart of our business, and Guchu behind the flavor with the cutting edge and technology and the finance. Thank you so much again, friend. The Loic Pen. Thank you so much. And have a nice day, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. And now the Danny Meton. I tell you the Danny Meton. GR, thank you. The gate user, thank you so much. The Danny Meton. Jerry Mitten is the co-founder of Gochu Jiangquin Gochu and co-founder of Beep Asia, a digital PR and marketing agency based in the APAC APCA. Thank you, Salmat Khan. Thank you, Mehdi Hassan Rafi. And thank you, other great friends. Thank you for joining. Let's move forward again, my dear friend. And now I tell you again. With our decided of the experience in storytelling and the brand development, he has helped numerous steps on Web3 projects and concatenation grow at the acceptance their reach across the federation. Danish Servet is a public relation advisor for the key startup Grand Challenge Business Startup from the around the world of Korea. Thank you again, my dear friend. Lingland, thank you, Aaron, and the name circle and the Atipal. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now you see today my topic now Gate Life Guchu Jiangquin Guchu project overview, and I tell you the highly version. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. And now the Guchu Jiangquin is the project the faces culture teach and the utility thought the Web3 eco way ensure being the forefront deriving Web3 technology toward ministry adoption. Thank you, Gate, your friend. Thank you so much. To do that, we have structured our compete across three pillars: business strategy to Gochu token, DeFi, Gaming, and the Gochu Chang. Our Gochu Chang past physically protect hardware and the Gochu teach our all SaaS solution B2B2C and software. Thank you so much, MI and the other great friend. Thank you so much. Now each player is the self-sustaining business given to the Gochu token utility and the collaboration opportunities in the both the Web 2 and the Web 3 spaces. Thank you so much. And now the token economics. Thank you. Gochu supply is the unvest in the circulation who not future unlock the transparency staking and the governance voting give our community a voice in the cheering of the story. Thank you so much, TRX, and the winning trading. Thank you so much. And the holder of enjoy real life food packs like randomable product, and the Gochu also extend itself with the token sales boosting our Gochu chain paste and all SaaS business. Thank you again, my dear friend XXX40XXX. Thank you, the name Sarkar. And now the technical overview. Our Gochu token is built on base and Ethereum layer 2 network view base, enable fast, low cost transaction and the comprehensive teach stock for us to build adopt for the DeFi and Gaming. On the EVM method, Gochu will be the utility token for our Gochu teach and the Gochu Jiang protect. Thank you so much, my dear friend, the Gate user, the Tony joined. Thank you, Tony. And now token allocation based. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now fully wasted. So, my dear friend, the token allocation fully wasted. Thank you. The risk management. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, and good to see you here, our dear friend. Thank you for joining. Now the risk reminder, I tell you. The trading market for the currency, my experience, scientification, inflection due to technical, legal, regularity, and the factor. Please thought understand the project details. Thank you again, dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मदद का बेहद शुक्रिया. Details and the conduct certification market reach before the participation. Gate cannot be granted that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final listing status will depend on version factor and the official listing announcement shall prevail. Thank you so much, my dear friend, Gate the friend, and the Melitum. Thank you, Melitum 27, and the Gate users, the Prince. Thank you so much, Prince. Have a nice day, and the Crypto Champion. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. I am good, my dear friend, Crypto Champion, and thank you for joining my live stream. Thank you, my dear friend, Crypto Champion, and good to see you also, dear. Stealing the gate. Thank you so much, and the Prince. Thank you, Prince. Now, by participation in the project, you accept our airdrop terms and condition. Thank you again. Now I tell you, this is the risk management, and now forward FAQ. Thank you so much, my lovely friend Zulgi and the gate user. Thank you. Now, my dear friend, I tell you the FAQ of this project now. How to participate in the holder airdrop. So, as long as your GT holding in the gate account is no less than 1, you can participate in and receive the airdrop with the looking staking GT. And now, my dear friend, which accounts GT holding will be including in the calculation? Thank you. Thank you so much, dear friend. And now, total GT holding in the unfed account, spot account, low-state account, margin account, copy trading corporation trading account, board account, and the financial account, and the payment account. However, GT in crypto, loan, and GT2 the access. Thank you so much again, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. The P Pims, thank you. The gate user and Prince, also thank you, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. आप दोस्तों की बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों. तो आप देख रहे हैं मेरा आज का प्रोजेक्ट गुचू गेम के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. तो जुड़े रहें, बने रहें मेरे साथ और देखते रहें मेरे आज की स्ट्रीम क्रिप्टो आई के साथ. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. दिस इज द FAQ नाउ. FAQ के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों. द शोगो, thank you Shogo, and Peewing, and also thank you Crypto Champion. Have a nice day. Thank you, my dear friend, and have a nice day too. Thank you for joining and welcome. Thanks, my dear friend Crypto Champion, for your comments. Thank you. So, my dear friend, which account ho gaya? How is the airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will be track your GT holding, taking multiple random snapshot every year to calculate your average hourly holding. You find, thank you, you find the reward is based on your average holding during the entries project period. If you average holding are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token received. Thank you. Your average hourly holding, all participation average hourly holding, total airdrop amount. Thank you so much, Cozy and the Chinese friend. Thank you so much for joining, my lovely Chinese friend. Thank you. Now this is the FAQ, my dear friend. What is per GT? Thank you again. Per GT is an stamped value including the number of airdrop token you could receive by participation the holder airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount, and the GT holding of all participation is update hourly. Thank you again, dear friend, the Gizzy. Thank you, Gizzy. Have a nice day, Gizzy. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया, Gizzy, and also dear friend, आपका भी बहुत शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. तो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहें दोस्तों. Thank you for joining, my dear friend, the Prince and the Gozi. प्रिंस एंड द गोजी, थैंक यू बोथ फ्रेंड। प्लीज फॉलो भी साथ कीजिएगा दोस्तों, ताकि आप रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर सकें। थैंक यू अगेन, थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड। White Shadow, thank you, the White Shadow. Have a nice day, White Shadow. And also, thank you, Crypto Champion. Uh, Good project stream. Thank you, my lovely friend, Crypto Champion, and welcome also. Thank you for joining. So, my dear friend, now what is the GT per GT? ये हमने कर लिया। आगे की तरफ चलते हैं और देखते हैं why are my holding contact different across project. Thank you. Now this is the one. The system user randomly snapshot of the calculates your average hourly holding depending on when you join the each project. The calculate average holder may vary. Thank you, gate user. Thank you, Meltem, and the other gate friend. Thank you so much. In the third of your holding amount remain constant, your average hourly holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. Thank you, Triple X. Thank you, the name Sarkar again. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participation limits. You can check the detailed page over the event announcement for more information. Thank you again, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. And now, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? You can participate in the multiple project. Thank you. How will the airdrop reward distribute? Thank you again. And now the airdrop will be calculated and distributed within the 1 day after the project, and you can check it anytime in the launchful holder airdrop participation history. थैंक यू सो मच डियर फ्रेंड। तो आप देखिए आपने दोस्तों, अभी मैंने आपके ऊपर बात करी है गोचू के ऊपर। चलते हैं गोचू एयर ड्रॉप की जानिब। थैंक यू माय लवली फ्रेंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड नाउ यू सी द होल्डर एयर ड्रॉप। और हिस्ट्री आपको बता दूं, होल्डर जीटी एंड गेट मैसिव एयर ड्रॉप फॉर प्राइम, and now 33.22 million, and now 90.0k, 376.3k participation. Thank you my dear friend, the walk and the other gate friend, thank you for joining dear friend. Now you see again, and the Gucci claim for free, Shiva and other. Thank you my lovely friend for joining. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। चलते हैं इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब दोस्तों। गुचू चंगक्विन, थैंक यू गुचू चंगक्विन। यू सी माय डियर फ्रेंड द गुचू चंगक्विन, ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर नाउ बाय गुचू। You see dear friend, this is the beautiful themes and the graph of Gucci. What is the Gucci Changquin? My dear friend, this is the website of Gucci, beautiful website of the Gucci. Thank you again my lovely friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो गुचू के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों। गुचू आपके सामने मौजूद है। गुचू, व्हाट इज द गुचू? I tell you the Gucci dear friend. Digital a memes, and the Gucci has resolved into the all utility token, combining the latest technology to build software solution that advance the Web3 financial ecosystem. Thank you my dear friend, Crypto Champion Good Tree. Thank you so much Crypto Champion, आपकी मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो हम गुचू के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों। Originally meme coin, Gucci has evolved into the all utility token combining at the last technology to build the software solution that advance the Web3 financial ecosystem. Yeah. Inspired by the Corisa income, Guchu Chill passed the cells of the specific survey and the sweet failure sister star in the our heart and the part of everything we do floor LK calculate finance and the we phone of the little of the it into the sweet your assets. Guchu Queen meme of the stream utility in the sheets. Thank you again, great user friend. Thank you for joining. And now the beautiful website of Guchu Jing. Specific up your digital wallet. Join our official Telegram channel. Visit our ex tutor and check the our other thing. Thank you so much, the Guchu. The flavor of the innovation specific unable like preferential pool of biobomb Guchu choke add to the keep crypto profit with the maximum of utility fund. Fashion calculate and the teach. Combining the boast of Coffin, Coin and the culture with blockchain technology and SMS utility, we are creating community. These are the word in the web. Now flower going full circling as a Gochujang coin holding you based a part of January, our championship campaigning and the development of cheating all SMS and the spreading the decided flow of the Gochujang post all the source the word. Thank you so much. Now you see Guchu 2500X. Thank you, great user friend, for joining my lovely friend. Now let's move forward. The masking Web3 fun and the flowerful. At Gochujang Queen, we have to bring the slap of the culture innovation Web3 from the free tournament competition are not competitive and why we keep our plus. Thank you, the realist, the gate user, and the Xwin, the GR, the Dream Monster. Thank you. We keep our plus on the community to build cool tools for the future and be the specific you can kick back and call home. Now you see X. Thank you. And now the sphere for everyone. Test for everyone. Web3 ensuring the food lover, builder and the dreamers united. The Gochujang Queen community is the perfect place to share, replace, learn about Web3, discover our latest development with our team, follow us on our social platform and become part of the Gochujang Queen where there is the test of everyone Gochujang like. Thank you again. Now the red play earn. We expense our overless thought, culture, Web2, gaming friendly, and the DeFi building the story and the leader of Gochujang Queen together with the community. Thank you. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now you see the website of Gochu. Thank you so much. This is the official website, my dear friend, Gochu. And now, why Gochu? Thank you, my dear friend. Why the Gochu? Thank you, MI and the Mark 123. Thank you, Mark, Prince, and the other gator friend. Now, on sweep, my dear friend, you see the max current price 0.0002, 24 change 0.01. Now 24, the highest 0.002 and the lowest 0.00002. Thank you, great user, the Nuswap 3. Thank you, the Mark also. 24 volume and now the 24 quarter. Now you see, dear friend. Thank you again, dear friend. And now the well done. You see Gochu Queen, culture, culture, advice, adventure. Great user. Thank you. Gochu, 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 my dear friend Gochu. Gochu Guy Clean Adventure. Thank you for joining. So, my dear friend, join the separated and the calculate object Gochu Guy has the embark on the thrilling journey around the globe, exploring the vibrant and diverse world of the institutional queens. With the instantable security and the tracery J of the technology, and in the Gochu Guy in the just testing the world flavor. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन फॉर गिव मी गिफ्ट। तो दोस्तों, आप लोगों के लिए, आप दोस्तों के लिए क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से गिफ्ट आ चुका है, तो प्लीज़ इसे ज़रूर रिसीव कीजिएगा टाइम आने पर। थैंक यू। I tell you again, the Gochu Guy in the just testing the world failure and the experience to see how the world's Korean staple and Campbell the assemble into the each country unique base from the Western start market and the banking of to the ratification of treasury. Thank you. The cartoon strip is a digital full expression of the Colleen invitation. Get ready for the disclines red full of the flavor, culture and the endless circular advancement. Thank you again, dear friend. Now you see the episode 1. Thank you. The episode 1. First floor of the Fukuoka. Thank you, Mark and the gate user friend. Join the Gochu Guy in the discovering the heart and soul of Fukuoka, and he chart a bold cross in the international currency accepted on the disclosure expires at time. Now, thank you. The read more. So this is the episode 1, floor of the Fukuoka. The advantage, thank you so much. The advantage and the tree movement, thank you. So the Hocket remain, my dear friend. You see the beautiful picture of Gochu King, Gochu Jung Queen, and Gochu is the red chili, I think. So, my dear friend, you bro, we just go to milk, natural spicy flavor, milk nature's spicy taste. White shadow am I? Thank you. And now you see again, this is the colorful and beautiful and funny food. I goes this the milk, the store over ornamentation early I like. Thank you. Now Gochu, you see Gochu, my dear friend, and how it is gone to ground adventure. I am fed up this my style for user. This is the Gochu, enjoy the sunset. Thank you. Now the day of the cooking competition has arrival. तो ये आज किचन में भी पहुंच चुका है गोचू, बाय डियर फ्रेंड, आप देख सकते हैं। Within the combined token stream and the gochujang, no one will be able to stay. It's delicious. Thank you. Thank you so much. And now, all right, then I am set to make the specific tokens remain in the world. और ये गोचू ने आप दोस्तों के लिए किचन में जाकर खाना बना दिया है दोस्तों, तो आप खा सकते हैं। खाइए और गोचू बन जाइएगा। You again. How Gochu Guy's cooking show has started. The species aroma is so strong even from more here. I don't think I can handle eating it. Thank you, Prince. और यहाँ पर खुशी का इजहार करते हुए हमारे गोचू जी खाना बना रहे हैं। Thank you for joining, dear friend. Now the Rim Kuntura. Check out the one of the recommendation Ramon Place This remain where is the no for a heart of bowls of the Tuscan style, both the thick noodles. Thank you. Thank you. And now it is the clear the curing and the applying listing to Japanese Chinese as well as I can win this. Chup chup bulbul, I think. Chup chup and bulbul. All right, I at the Kunju complete the kick of the tokens around. And how can it is small so amazing? What kind of remain that I can assist typing in the and don't worry, I have give sweet weapon. Thank you, my dear friend. Now the Guchu chip tip. Did you know milk is the like mic of spicy food? Thank you, the crypto king Ajay. Thank you. The corn fisher, thank you, and the three moments. Now everyone is the fantastic spacey remain. The Kushuk Jung has transformed the flower of the remain into the something shoppiting, and everyone must know how delicious subspecie remain in right. So we go next. Thank you, tree moment, and get your friend. Thank you for joining. And now there are many milk bird and this spring mark to not get for the type of the dam after the enjoying hot and spicy food. For unique selection, try going to Japanese supermarket. Thank you again, my dear friend, for joining now. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you. Am I the gate user? Thank you. Now, dear friend, this is the first episode and now the second one. On his way to another cleaner journey, horse stopped by the NYC and found the place. Thank you again, dear friend. Now, read more. Thank you for joining. Now, episode number 2. The first village, a vibrant multi-punctuate of the culture and the culinary delights as home the heading game 7th Street Burger. This try to full join peg stories and punch it the comes to burger flour. Get ready to sink your teeth into the juicy, patient, crispy fries and the fully stifling burger experience. Thank you so much. The tablet, thank you. The lonely tree, thank you. Lonely tree. And now this is the street. And here the Gochu King. Gochu Join King. Queen. Sorry, my dear friend. Thank you. Firoz. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया. Please follow कीजिएगा Firoz. So, my dear friend, now you see today my project Gate Live Gochu Jang Queen. गोचू प्रोजेक्ट और एंड यू सी तो ये गली में पहुंच चुके हैं स्नोफॉल में गोचू साहब. थैंक यू द को. थैंक यू को. एंड नाउ द 7th Street Burger. Beautiful picture. Has quickly become a beloved spot of burger entries in the East Village and the beyond. Their signature smash burger are cooked and spicy, perfect relating in the juicy and the flavorable bite. Thank you. The simple menu focus on the quality, interrogates and the class combining, ensuring a specifying and the unprepared deciding experience. Thank you again. And now again, my dear friend, beautiful street, 7th Street Burger. Thank you. Or those you also going to the 7th Street shop. Thank you, Zulging. Thank you so much, Zulging. And now, my dear friend, let me tell you the menu is the as certain folder and the cats. Thank you. Now the Chinese $6.50, the classical simple delicious, delicious, and the accent what you need. Double. $9.50 for these extra hungry days. Impossible $8 a plant-based option for the overweight friend. Now fries 4.5% crispy golden brown and the perfect of dripping and maximum cake. Thank you. मैक्सियन के $3.50 affording the unique twist on the glaze soda and water. $2 Gota stay hard trade. Thank you, the Mr. Queen. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend. And now you see the gochujang. The Cheem Burger Double, Cheem Burger 6.5 and Double plus 3, Impossible 8, Fries 4.5, Maximum Coke 3.5. All burger service were girls on American Chinese package. House space. Thank you. It is all over. Thank you so much. It is all over. And now the Boon Appetite. So my dear friend, you see beautiful picture. Oh, I am hungry. So, why there are the Survival 7 Street Burger in NYC. This is the place I visit. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend, and good to see you. दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं मेरा आज का प्रोजेक्ट और मेरी स्ट्रीम का टॉपिक। आज हम प्रोजेक्ट पे बात कर रहे हैं गोचुजंग क्वीन के ऊपर। तो ये एपिसोड 2 था दोस्तों। अभी चलते हैं एपिसोड नंबर 3 की जानिब। तो बैक चलते हैं हम। Thank you for joining, my dear friend. This is episode number 2 and now the episode number 3. Fast food war. Inside the burger place there is the confirmation. Thank you again, dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। Inside the burger place there is a confirmation. Thank you. Episode number 3, dear friend. This is the episode number 3. Now, another bring day reeling over the fast food known kingdom. तो ये खूबसूरत सी पिक्चर है दोस्तों। बहुत ही फनी सा किरदार है हमारा गोचुजंग क्वीन, जिस तरह इसका नाम है। तो ये है गोचुजंग क्वीन। रेड चिली, आई थिंक दिस इज द रेड चिली। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बत का बेहद शुक्रिया। द गोचुजंग क्वीन। And now once again you see beautiful picture. We don't need your kind here and our customer like it might. Thank you so much again, dear friend. Now the gochu. You see the gochu. Thank you for joining, my lovely friend. And now let's move. खूबसूरत से पिक्चर है, ब्यूटीफुल से पिक्चर आपके सामने मौजूद है दोस्तों गोचू के। गोचू again, my dear friend. Happy gochu. And the burgers. You see the burgers. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend, for joining. And now another picture. Gochu, now this is the episode number 3, fast food information, complete information. और आप देख सकते हैं गोचू को। गोचू की खूबसूरत सी पिक्चर आपके सामने है। डिट्रोन, थैंक यू डिट्रोन। एंड नाउ द बर्गर विद गोचू। वेयर इज गोचू? थैंक यू सो मच, माय लवली फ्रेंड। Prawn spicy burger slowed out. Have a nice day. Thank you for joining, and all my dear friend, good afternoon. And now you see the gochujang queen. This is the gochu, my dear friend. Thank you, the Tron. Thank you so much, Tron. And the spicy and spicy. Now this is the episode number 3. And go back to again, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। नाउ नंबर 3 and now the episode number 3 again. Italian job. Thank you. Italian job. Thank you for joining, my dear friend, again. Now, in the high stakes circulation showdown, a humble Korean chief focus of against to the particular Italian pasta pesto matter remind with the noting and the revolution gochujang carbro fashion to the story reach a delicious climax when the Italian granddaughter and up to waiting for the last plate for the Korean. Italian greeting will the shocked pasta chief fetched their coloring word to the upside down. Thank you. Again, now read more again. The episode number 3, Italian job. Thank you again, dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया. And now, episode number 3, fast food war. Now the open. This is the picture, my dear friend. Many picture here, I think. Yes, my dear friend, the gochujang queen. You see the beautiful gochujang queen, the red chili. Thank you. And now you see the delicious dishes. Thank you again, my lovely friend, and good to see you here. Now again the beautiful picture. तो आप देख सकते हैं एक अच्छी सी डिश बना ली है इन दोस्तों ने मिलकर गोचू के लिए, और गोचू आगे इसको चट करेगा. सो लेट्स सी यूर मेक रियल कंसर्न. गोचू भी लग गया है दोस्तों इसी के ऊपर. थैंक यू सो मच अगेन, माय डियर फ्रेंड, फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. थैंक यू. एंड नाउ लेट्स मूव अगेन. दिस इज अनदर ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर. केक के साथ गोचूचंग भी रखे हुए हैं, वो भी दो. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब, और आप देख सकते हैं अनदर Crypto 9x. थैंक यू Crypto 9x. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड, यू सी द ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर ऑफ गोचू एंड अदर. थैंक यू. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. और नाउ द दिल्ली Yum news. Korean Italian fashion take over Rome. Thank you again. So now this is the episode number 3, job, Italian job. The trust. Thank you so much, trust. And also thanks Market and the other gate, dear friend. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And once again, where is my dear friend? Now episode number 1. And number 2, number 3, and the episode number 3, Italian job. Thank you so much, dear friend. This is the Wotan, and now next is the shop. Thank you for the GR. Thank you. And now the gochujang tube. Thank you. The red hot chili pasta. Have a nice day, dear friend. And now the gochujang for the simple flavor boosts. Where to buy? Thank you. And now gochujang respect idea. Start now. See, my dear friend, the dinner. The steers. Thank you. The Noli, the trust, and the gate. Gochujang grilled chicken salad. Thank you. The gochujang chilled chickens and the future spicy sweet modern chicken and the fresh genus with the crispy vegetable and advance the catching the vibrate and the savory entrails. Thank you. The dinner gochujang beef stir fry. Splendor special of the beef stir fried with the protocol and the bell. Prepare in survey gochujang squid savoring and the jasmine rice for the heart of meal. Now, dear friend, this is the gochujang tofu stir fry. The gochujang tofu stir fry future tofu and the colorful vegetables in the sweet gochujang soy served over rice for spicy and the sustaining interest. Now the Korean gochujang ribs. Now, Slow scored and the proud coated to the trial gochujang by the glazy served with kitchen and the steamed vegetable to flavor packet dinner. Thank you. This is the my dear friend. This is dinner menu and the lunch. Thank you. Gochujang chicken blow recipe. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, for joining. Now the gochujang lunch flavor. The Maltara, the glide, the chicken served over its rice to with soft vegetables like spinach, beans, sprout, and the cut relish with the gochujang slice. Now the spicy gochujang noodles. Chewy noodles tossed to the gochujang based on the sauce with the stir-fried vegetable chop and with the same the needs of the green only of the add crunch flavor. Orange crunch flavor and the dessert spicy creamy porome. Thank you, Mehdi Hassan Rafi. Product designed with the clear infusion chemical, the source, the gochujang, creating a sweet spicy tree with the fucking twist on the classic scenics. Thank you. Now the gochujang Dexo X-Win. Thank you. The sweet trailer flight with the gochujang merchant peak for the chicken, top of the sloth, advance and the speckle of the pleasure of the queen maximum fashion. Now the gochujang maple ice cream. Javed Lodra, thank you so much, Javed Lodra. आपकी मदद का भी शुक्रिया, काफी दिनों के बाद आप आए. Tree movement. Now the ice cream. The creamy ice cream belonged with the stable amount of gochujang and the swell multi-scribed divining unique balance of the heat and the sweetness. Thank you again. And now the gochujang butter cookies. Soft butter cookies infused with the gochujang batter offer a unique balance of sweet, sour and spicy flavor for any adventurous twist. Thank you. Now तो आप देख सकते हैं खूबसूरत से ग्राफ हैं गोचुजंग क्वीन के और शर्ट्स भी दोस्तों ने पहनी हुई है. So this is the beautiful. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. And now the base chain, I think. And now the base chain. Thank you so much, my dear friend, for joining. Dear friend, आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. The TX, the gate user, the prince, and other gate friend. Now you see the gochujang queen gochu, and now you see again the price 0.002350. Now market cap 246,405, 368.93779547. The maximum total supply 299999950000 gochu. The holder 249409 and the transfers 566585 and the displays 18. The sponsor, you see the many sponsor, और ये आप सर देख सकते हैं दोस्तों इनके जो स्पॉन्सर्स हैं और एंड अदर थिंग. थैंक यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड. द पी command center, thank you. The P command center, thank you also. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now you see the gochujang queen gochu. Have a nice day, dear. Thank you again, my dear friend. And now the thank you. And now the all launch paid. So top movers, my dear friend, they contact your wallet to get start. And now all launch paid. Thank you. Last list of gochujang all gent 800 agents. The overall crypto market expansion this week as for the today, the total gochujang all agent, the capitalization 4.40, responding from 42.66% increase from the last week. Now read more. तो आप ये देख सकते हैं दोस्तों गोचुजंग के तमाम तर आपके सामने मौजूद हैं. The TX the P Command. Thank you, P Command and TX. Thank you again, my lovely friend. Now the OTC. Thank you. Now the OTC. Gochu OTC disk. Welcome to the Gochu OTC trading, a transparent open OTC marketplace for the Gochu. Thank you, dear friend. The Churli 1993. Thank you, Churli. हैव अ नाइस डे. प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिएगा दोस्तों. रिवॉर्ड भी आप देख सकते हैं और एक रिवॉर्ड तो आपके लिए क्रिप्टो चैंपियन की तरफ से है. The Gochu OTC is the digitalization community driven platform that enables anyone to buy and sell Gochujang Queen Gochu. Thought surely dispensed over the country, transaction powered by the public, verifiable smart contract, all traders and access to on-chain, ensuring the full transparency, zero hidden fees, and no middleman. Thank you so much, the Chichori, the Edmotion player. Thank you. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And now, unlike the traditional OTC disc, this platform is not controllable by the Gochu team. It is open to all users who want to trade Gochu in large volume with customs terms securely and the directly. Thank you. Now key feature, my dear friend, this is the key feature. Gochujang Out Desk is the web application designed to make the smart contract on the basis mined easier to use. Now, point number 1, on-chain OTC trading powered by the smart contract, transparency and the permissionless, no centralization control. Ideal of strategic buyer, seller and the long-term holder. Point again, holder. Ideal of strategic buyer, seller and the long-term holder. Now another point, optional, often wasting lockup interpreting flexibility. Audit read on open source of the agriculture, smart contract and verified score. Thank you, Mahmoudul Talab. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Have a nice day. Now the smart contract and the valid source, where you can invest to trade of Gochu. Lever our OTC platform guys use the tools to trade Gochu on your own team securely and transparently. Start your trade today to actually active listing below. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion and Amir. Thank you so much, Amir and Crypto Champion. So my dear friend, this is the key future of Gochu. Thank you so much again, my dear friend. And I tell you the Gochu key future. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now the smart हो गया. Now the instruction. 1. Consent your wallet. First, conduct your market wallet and the straight trading. Now number 2, the check your balance. Once you successfully contact your wallet, you can see the your balance into below. And now choose from the buy or sell tab. Select tab to meet your demanded. Thank you again, dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you again. And now move forward. Choose from the buyer or sell tab. And the buyer. Now buyer can complete the valid trade by the sending UCDC of the seller and the listing transaction in where no lockup period. Gochu will be withdraw immediately. If there is lockup, the period buyer can withdraw Gochu after the lockup period expire. Thank you so much again. Now my dear friend, this is the transaction logs. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों. Transaction logs. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. This is the welcome to Gochu OTC trading. Now the next one, my dear friend, the blogs. Thank you again. Now the blog. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, for joining. Thank you again. And now where flow flavor meets finance and all gochujang Queen Gochu has transformed. Thank you. दोस्तों gochujang where flour meets to finance all gochujang Gochu has transformable for moving Queen the into the allowed drive utility token. We are listed for the maximum Gochu and have launched our Gochu global, which is the Gochu hour and the read more. Thank you. Thank you again, my lovely friend. Now the Gochujang Queen. Thank you, Gochujang. Have a nice day for joining the gate user, the Mehdi Hassan and other gate user friend, the Tron, the Mehdi Hassan. Thank you so much, Gochujang Queen. Have a nice day. Where flower meet finance and all Gochujang Queen. Gochu has transfer mode. The key food meme Queen. Gochujang Queen launching as the actual Gochujang product on coping and miss you Gochujang token 24/9 in the Singapore. Thank you so much. Now you see again, my dear friend, KBW Gochujang tube event and the pace partition with the Gochujang list on the Gochujang market cap with 920 growth. Thank you for joining, my lovely friend. Thank you so much, the Ajmo bot. Have a nice day, Ajmo. आपकी मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया और ज्वाइन करने के लिए भी आपका शुक्रिया. Thanks, my dear friend. Have a nice day. Thank you again. Now the blog all over and now the documents, white paper. Thank you so much, dear friend. Now I tell you again the GR, all based on Gochu. Thank you, Gochu Chen. All based on Gochu teach. Now, thank you so much. Now the introduction and version. Thank you. Now the introduction and the version. Thank you, Crypto Champion and the Crypto 9x. Now the introduction and vision. Gochujang Gochu was inspired by the Korean's icon, the Constellation Stepper technology and the 2024 entity, the based. It is the being of the community focus project. Thank you. The Gochujang Korea is the linear step technology and the 2024 entity in the began a community, a factor to project introduction, the all favor of Korean culture and coins to the lay global Web3 community. Over time, it has evolved into the comprehensive financial infrastructure solution combining and the blockchain technology. The project has built as the active community of over 14,000 members thought the platform like Telegram and TwitterX contribution to the globalization of Korean culture. Viva global event on the online competition by the getting listed to centralization exchange like MX and by the providing digitalization trade and the liquidity to base chain is insulation method in the both centralization and the decentralization ecosystem. Thank you TRX and the trust. Thank you so much. The Peep, the Bourbon. Thank you for joining and also thank you to Champion for giving me big project, big gift. Thank you so much. And now in the early 2025 project term and decided to the shift from the everywhere being the culture token to the providing sustainable utility and the long-term value leading to the birth of the Gochu chain. TH ecosystem, this ecosystem aims to realization according the affiliation in Web3 finance thought all based on the solution like Agent GG trade and the G Launchpad. Thank you. Now number 2, the market analysis and opportunity. Thank you again, dear friend. And now the market opportunity. Thank you. थैंक यू सो मच अमजद डिपॉजिट फॉर यू, आपकी यूआईडी सेंड करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया एंड थैंक यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स डियर. एंड नाउ द TRX, थैंक यू. द सरीगो बनानी, थैंक यू सरीगो बनानी. दोस्तों प्लीज फॉलो कीजिएगा, रिवॉर्ड ले लीजिएगा. सो ब्लैक चेन इज द artificial intelligence AI have a each development and innovative technology and their recent convergence in the forming a news prediction. This function does not beyond the simple technical assumption and the generation sustainable market value and the severing a new growth and rare for the cryptocurrency market. Now the current market fund trend. Thank you my dear friend again for joining my dear friend. Now the market analyze opportunity and now the current market trend. Thank you so much Kinza, thank you. Now the current market trend. Growth in the crypto market capitalization as of the 2025, a total market capitalization of a related cryptocurrency market reached explosive 14 billion, making over 3,300 our growth of the Compen 2024. The all agent and the launch pool courier and the part of the factor the marketing growth now 2024 all the agent of launch pool category, the part of fastest growth sector with the market size exceeding 4 billion. Entry of the major institutional and investment traditional venture capital and institutional investor to bidding for the focus of combining of all blockchain. Recent the research include 250% increase in venture investment and the blockchain project from the prior year with the trade expected communication into the 2025. Now major teach company participation, formation, the technology firms and activity participation in the interrogation of and blockchain since late 2024. Several large the teach competition has announcement solution combining and the blockchain contribution increase the market centralization and adoption. Then the rise of the decentralization add. The development of decentralization, all network and crossing to the record of the centralization, I service such as the province like of the transparency and central control. The network proposed a new paradigm by the using token investing to large distribute computing resource for the all mind of the training and the inference. Thank you again. Now my dear friend, the inference in the participation use the case moving beyond additional consolidation project all blockchain solution addressing in the business problem and the critical value are the emitting participation, supply chain, center condition and the data marketed practical application. Now the growth and the status of utility token market. The all utility token market has experienced remained growth central chartable by the following: the market size and the growth rate. The global market size of the utility token was approximately 6 billion in the early 2025 with the annual growth rate exceeding 70%. The all agent and the launch period category demanding the explosive growth from the quarter 24, rising the new over control the over crypto market. In term of trading volume until Toko and the highest budgeting. Now the key market segment. All predicting trading tools, the market, the segment of solution, larger machine learning algorithm of the market production, traditional signal generation and platform automation market data inside it the account of the exploring 40% of the all to the all utility token marketization. The growth are of 85%. Now all market making and the liquidity solution providing automatic liquidity and the market making service of our blockchain based on the exchange and token project. Now the regularity 25%, The market is grow. The market is the growing due to the increased demand from the small and mind side. Thank you again, dear friend, for joining the PR. Thank you, PR. And now the user adoption and the engagement. Thank you so much again. The active user base on the all utility token exceed to 1.5 million quarter 2024, marketing growth of 400% from the previous year. High adoption are the observed major cryptocurrency market across Asian, Korean, Japan, Singapore, as well the North American and the Europe. These user base or the expansion beyond the cryptocurrency tradition to the include traditional financial investment, all the another Web3 development. Thank you so much, dear friend. Now the regulatory environment. All the utility token operate with the general cryptocurrency regulatory fig. However, to all specific regulation are yet to celebrate fight. Thank you again. Now, many community to developing regularity of the framework, all the blockchain coverage focus and the pricing glowing transparency and the accommodated for the outcomes. Thank you so much. And now the deposit regularity under string A1 token, which the focus on the utility are the anticipation to create relative lawyer the regularity risk competition to traditional security. Thank you again, dear friend. Now the different strategic and the market settlement. Gochujang Coin stable, a clear differentiation strategic and the additional core trade marketing simulation based on the market environment and less you completive platform research. Now core different strategic. Now the ecosystem interrogation approach optimization user expansion by the interrogation get and the GT trade. Yeah, the लोड़े लग गया सारा तमाशा बन गया थोड़ा सा खोल दो थोड़ा सा core different strategies ecosystem interrogation and the approach optimization user experience by the interrogation agent GT trade and the GT launch fail into the signal ecosystem. The approach minimize the infection in platform transaction release data from optimization token utility. Thank you so much again, dear friend. Thank you so much. Thank you again, my dear friend. Now you see today my topic now Gate Live Gochujang Queen Gochu. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया. No Gochu holography introduction code opportunity across the solution and to enable use to of a and blockchain function. No code policy instruction and now the no condition physiology introduction co opportunities across to solution enable to using the of blockchain functional without the termination blockchain G launchpad allows the historians and the I want to with programming and knowledge. Thank you again. Now my dear friend number 3 the Gochu touch ecosystem overview. The Gochu, thank you. Now my dear friend the Gochu overview. Vision of interrogation financial inspector. Thank you. The Gochu teach is the no just collection of tools but interrogation all ecosystem rendering financial infrastructure in Web3 environment. It is can air of application blockchain and AI converge age. The Gochu teach transformed complex and the technology and the institutional and the powerful solution enable participation at all level of the agent application to the cryptocurrency and the market. Now the thank you user experience. Thank you for dear friend for joining. Thank you again. Now where is 3 points number 3? To the Gochu. Yes, my dear friend, this is the core avian of Gochu teach. Decarbonization of technology market advance and the land blockchain technology accessible everyone develop to the platform all over the people to launch the legislation. The comprehensive financial stock providing the internal solutions spreading into the life of Web3 finance from the token creation to including management and the trading strategy. This animation are inspection complex and the associate for the farming tools. Now again dear friend, the data driving automatic scramble to lots and the turning while the technical final decision making authority survive to balance between the data driven recommendation and the transparency. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now, the global associable build solution. The global associable build the solution and accessible to user window without the original restoring designing with the version language and the culture context mind expansion and the global plot. Thank you. And now the technical architecture blockchain. Gochu, the technical architecture builds environment and the function to report foundation. The architect approach the comprehensive statement security and the improve able providing the solution force and the culture underneath. Now key technology layer. Thank you again. Now the key technology layer. Blockchain information layer. Utilize base as the main blockchain falling onto transaction case for the proceeding and the Ethereum compliant developed source functional and the tradable by using the EFVM, the complete smart contract system. The participate cross the chain interoperated solution and for exploration virus blockchain data processing layer. The implied third party of the chain data strong solution promoting currency and the security. Operator real-time system collecting and the processing data from the exchange, social media and news sources. Thank you again, dear friend. Now the automatic refine and the slice data effectively L-mode utilize the all framer layer. Thank you again for joining, dear friend. And now the blockchain. Blockchain interrogation architecture. Token instruction. The ERC co-standard Gochu token survive the ecosystem cover providing the access and the benefits individual service like to Gochu token service across the dissemination and the governance voting utilized in prot staking platform and the benefit long-term holder. Thank you so much. Now the record agent, the prediction and the outcome on the blockchain for variable phase. Thank you again. Now the user exploration, designing participation. The Gochu, the teach combination edge for technology with the user design create the solution follow or to utilize the explore technology easily to principle of making to the complex simple by not simplifying service UX prosperity. Thank you, dear friend. Now number 4, the agent. Thank you. Now number 4, the agent. I tell you the agent. Core future. Agent is the G is core computer of the Gochujang Queen ecosystem provide the trade with the according traditional signal to providing cryptocurrency market movement using safe of the all the technology moving beyond the traditional technical analysis with the engineering based approach agent for grow hold market potential into the stable trigger. Thank you for future. Now all based market production sport medium and the large term tradition per direction 10 minutes hour and 1 day until. Thank you. And now they provide direction providing and the level beyond the simple use for the clear offering of the offer for the Bitcoin and the major cryptocurrency as well as selected traditional community and the contomisation trading strategic. Adjust the strategic according user risk platform. Thank you again, my dear friend, for joining. Now you see the different from the traditional technical analysis. Over age, the crossing of the live traditional introduction MAMSD etc. offered early line method for the agent and the capture market including non-loyalty, multi-discrimination data and analyze beyond the simple price and the volume increment, the chain data network matter and the cross market signal into the interrogated method. Advice for the permitted use advancement method, the automatic optimize based on the market condition. They are the fraction EH 14 days. Now the constellation analyze the applied technology and the Grange quality going to be on the conditional of identification virtual relationship. Now number 5. GT trade transparency market. Thank you so much. So my dear friend, this is the again number 6. I tell you number 6, my dear friend. And now where is number 6? Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Yes, my dear friend, this is the number 6. Problems with the exciting market. Now number 6, my dear friend, the Launchpad no code one token creation overview. The Launchpad is the innovation competition of the Gochujang coin ecosystem, providing the platform building blockchain token and the a community management system without the technical knowledge, automatics complex development process and scientification lawyer, the entry barriers of token creation and the stimulation community management. Now the key technology. The no approach of the GL Launchpad installation, reduce development cost of and the shortening to process from weeks, minutes. This open possibility for small community known the technical enterprises and the exception band of the blockchain smart contract. Utilize the translation ERC to token translation complete security atom, minimize the validator and the security refund, the sport version token connection and the perimeter. Thank you so much again, dear friend. Now the number 7. Now this is the number 7. Gochu tokens are virtual combine of the Gochujang ecosystem linking version production and the service and the providing invitation of user design for the functional token greater than the just the specific assets and future participation utilize machine of the sustainable value token distribution supply structure. Gochujang tokens provide long-term ecosystem growth with a higher transparency, sustainable distribution. The total supply of fixed 2999995000 Gochu with no additional issue. The token distribution structure. Ecosystem all allocation, the community and user reward 40% total supply. And utilize the staking reward in a user invitation airdrop etc. And now again, dear friend, for joining and the now 40% total supply. They utilize the staking reward user in Q airdrop etc. allocate the to promote ecosystem participation in the long-term holding, follow the pace distribution to holding with the growth and sports community to devising, provide the development opportunity of 35% total supply used to technology development infrastructure aggression operation sport resource for the existing long-term production rhythm roadmap, and now the sport R&D environment and the foundation communication and the market and the participation 15%. Thank you. And now the use for the applauding the actuation strategic sport global market key operation and the strategic collaboration and the team and the advisor 10%. Thank you so much. Now my dear friend, this is the number 7 and number 8. Comprehensive roadmap. The roadmap of Gochujang Coin ecosystem and the comprehensive plan for the product development, market expense of the technology initiative and the business growth. It is the sustainable for the growth from the short obligation to long term vision, providing clear instruction for the contraction advance of the ecosystem technology advance roadmap. Gochujang Coin add to the monitoring and the advance to ensuring the experience and to the creating for the opportunity and the community. Thank you so much. Now the key technology development phase. 2025 ecosystem of the growth technology operation, all of the models growth from the platform, empowerment of cross-chain integration and the integrative ensurement for the infrastructure for sustainable and the technology improvement, strategic security, agriculture and the advanced technology and the management. Thank you again. Now the number 10. Now security and legal consideration. Gochujang can go in the stable on the comprehensive security architect and the complex framework operation protocol of the asset data in the regulatory change regulatory environment for the cryptocurrency and the AIV adopt multiple lawyer according to the ensure to level increasement legal and now the multiple lawyer security. Thank you. And now thank you the Gochujang Coin official contract information. Now web gochu.org email and the Twitter and the X. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, the Gochujang Queen. Thank you so much. Traditional and Gochujang. Thank you. Thank you, meme queens. Thank you so much. This is the beautiful picture, my dear friend. Animal, them, meme token are taking over the meme queen. Thank you so much. Now again beautiful, but we think differently. Thank you again, my lovely friend, for joining. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. You see, beautiful. Gochujang and making become the one of the global fashion, global trends. Thank you. The beautiful picture again, dear friend. And now the bulldog noodles challenge. Oh, this is very spicy, my dear friend. Now Gochu, smart thinking about food, damn token. And now the Gochujang again, dear friend. Original 100% original Gochujang. Have a nice day, my lovely friend. What is the Gochujang? You see the Gochujang, dear friend. And now the achievement and the hold on all ILTS list, dear friend. And the roadmap of the Gochujang Queen 24. You again. And now 1K food meme queens and products. And the 2K beyond customize. This is the beautiful picture, my dear friend. Pick command center. Keep Kish Quick Chan. Gochujang. And 4 top to earn game. And the next one, my dear friend, now the Gochujang influence entertainment. And the final, I think that's the, now you see again the beautiful picture. And the Gochujang entertainment roadmap. You again. And now the community. You see the community. And finally you see the community. So my dear friend, now the airdrop details. Thank you. The airdrop details. Airdrop holder. Airdrop ending time 29th May 2020 UTC 8 UTC. Totals by 85947519 at Gochu. And unlock rule 100% unlock and trading strategy May 29 2025 12 UTC trading Gochu. Now participation rules. Now my dear friend, complete identity verification and the hold at last 1 GT to share the total reward pool based on your GT holding. Snapshot promotion. The maximum participation limit for the each user in the is event 1000 GT. How to claim the airdrop and long and the complete identity verification. Go to the launch pool, select holder airdrop holder last 1 GT, click join our FAQ. Now holder FAQ, my dear friend. Thank you for joining the PPX. Thank you PPX and the other friend for joining. Thank you so much, the gate user, the Valve and C. Now the holder airdrop. About holder airdrop. What is the holder airdrop? Holder airdrop is the exclusive free airdrop event for the GT token holder. Use only need to creation of the GT to share airdrop token. Now what are the requirement to participation in holder airdrop? Participation must be identity verification at last 1 GT. What is the GT holding participation on limit? The GT holding participation limit is vary of each project. The specific limit will be clearly and straight to project's airdrop announcement. How are the airdrop token distributed? We will a snapshot for your GT holding and time of participation, and the end of the participation airdrop token will be distributed based on your GT holding proportion of the snapshot amount. Thank you. Now can I participate in the multiple holder? Yes, long as you indog to GT and take project snapshot time and the meet a participation requirement, you can participate in multiple holder airdrop. Will I definitely receive your token protection? Yes. The user holding last 1 GT 100% receive airdrop providing by the maintain last 1 GT at the snapshot time. How can I check my airdrop? Reward will be calculated and distributed within the 1 day after this project, and you can check your participation history in the launch pool holder. What should do? I have received any my airdrop token? Yes. If you don't receive airdrop token, please first click you meet the participation circle and confirm your GT holding and snapshot time. If issue pass, please. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Now the FAQ and about the, and now this is the about Gochujang Queen. Gochujang Queen. Gochujang Queens is an alternate pay token based on 2 additional pillar to the project. Gochu teach about the build and ASS solution supporting Web3 financial and the Gochujang, our Gochujang Shell part that will be across the world online. The specific sweet and the survive flavor of the Gochujang lie the heart of the business as Gochujang band of the flavor getting to technology and the financial. The token name Gochujang Queen. Token symbol Gochu and maximum supply 2999995000. Type token and the token ID. Thank you. Now the token distribution, राइट एंड अनलॉक रूल्स फॉलो विजिट वेबसाइट. आपको पता ही दोस्तों मैंने वेबसाइट के बारे में. गेट लाइव लैब इन्वेस्टमेंट डिस्क्लेयर. गेट लाइव डिड नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन द गोचुजन जीन Note the go to Gate token, GT token in unique exchange token of the Gate exchange, and the native token are the Gochujang public chain holding GT to the now, and the please complete an identity verification before the participation in the startup to ensure the security your account and asset. Please adhere to the relevant rules you aim to participation. Any cheating behavior, property, and the currency of the dishonesty will result is the disqualification for the reward. Number 4, where is the discrepancy area between the translate version and the English version? The English version shall prevail. Gate data user are right to explanation. User in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access the service including participation, event, game or competition. See the agreement details on the requirement condition. Now the risk warning. The Holder airdrop project blockchain startup and the still in the its early stage. The project operation underlying technology and the legal environment may place certification risk. The project team does not guarantee to the token price will be low, and the please invest your caution and the do not invest your financial capacity. The Holder airdrop project still in intel stage phase, including the operation and the underlying technology for the project, and the other regulatory authority activity might contribute to scientific risk. Number 4, advanced technology and the technical knowledge is required to understand and the evil to inherent risk of the crypto assets investment. The crypto market voltage and the price of token might left and distribution to technical regulatory and the market factor. Gate team May 2027 gateway to crypto. You trade over 38 cryptocurrency quickly and easily on Gate. Take now action, sign up and the claim up to 100% claim in the reward invite and the earn 40% commission. Step visit Gate official website, download Gate app and the follow us on X Twitter. Join the Telegram community to discuss trading topic engineering our global community transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserve. Thank you so much all my dear friend टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। आप दोस्तों का बेहद मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मेरी आज के प्रोजेक्ट को ज्वाइन किया, फॉलो किया, लाइक किया और कमेंट्स किए। तो आज का मेरा प्रोजेक्ट था गेट लाइव गोचू चिंगकुइन गोचू, और हमने बात की गोचू के ऊपर। तो तमाम दोस्तों का एक बार फिर से शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे लाइक के साथ फॉलो भी किया और अपने रिमार्क्स दिए। तो दोस्तों तब तक के लिए दीजिएगा इजाज़त, इंशाल्लाह आपसे दोबारा बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए दीजिएगा इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय।